Crystal doorknobs have been around since the early 1800s and have remained a popular design element for both residential and commercial buildings. These elegant doorknobs are known for their exquisite design, durability, and ability to enhance the overall decor of a room. They are available in a variety of styles, shapes, and sizes. In this video, we will explore the history of crystal doorknobs, their various designs, and their importance in interior design. The first crystal doorknob was created in 1826 in Bohemia, which is now part of the Czech Republic. Glassmakers in Bohemia had been producing high-quality glassware for centuries, and they soon began experimenting with making glass doorknobs. The unique beauty and elegance of crystal led to their popular use as a decorative feature in homes and public buildings. By the early 20th century, crystal doorknobs were widely used in Europe and America. In the early days, crystal doorknobs were handcrafted by skilled artisans who used traditional glassmaking techniques. The process involved heating glass rods in a furnace and then blowing and shaping them into the desired shape. The finished product was then polished to create a smooth, transparent surface. The craftsmanship and attention to detail required to create these beautiful doorknobs made them expensive and exclusive. In the late 1800s, improvements in glassmaking technology made it possible to produce crystal doorknobs on a larger scale. Glassmakers began using molds to create the knobs, which reduced the time and cost of production. By the early 1900s, crystal doorknobs were more affordable and accessible to a wider audience. Crystal doorknobs come in a variety of designs, ranging from simple and elegant to intricate and ornate. The most common design is a clear, spherical knob with a brass or chrome base. However, other designs are available, including colored glass, faceted crystal, and etched patterns. One of the most popular designs is the fluted crystal knob, which features vertical grooves on the surface of the glass. This design adds texture and depth to the knob, creating a stunning visual effect. Another popular design is the faceted crystal knob, which features multiple flat surfaces that reflect light and create a sparkling effect. In addition to the shape and texture of the glass, the base of the knob also plays an important role in the overall design. Many crystal doorknobs have a metal base with intricate patterns or a polished finish that complements the glass. The base also includes the mechanism that connects the knob to the door, which can vary in style and design. Crystal doorknobs are a versatile design element that can be used in a variety of interior design styles. They are often associated with traditional or vintage decor, but they can also be used in modern or contemporary spaces. The key is to choose a design that complements the overall style of the room. In a traditional or vintage space, crystal doorknobs can add a touch of elegance and sophistication. They work well with ornate moldings and trim, and they can enhance the beauty of antique furnishings. In a modern or contemporary space, crystal doorknobs can add a touch of sparkle and glamour. They work well with sleek lines and minimalist decor, and they can add a touch of interest to an otherwise simple space. Crystal doorknobs can also be used to create a focal point in a room. For example, a bold, colorful crystal knob can add a pop of color to a neutral space, or an intricate, faceted knob can add visual interest to an otherwise plain door. They can also be used to create a cohesive design scheme by repeating the same design throughout a space. Crystal doorknobs have a long and rich history that spans centuries. They have remained a popular design element for both residential and commercial spaces, and they continue to be a symbol of elegance and sophistication. With their variety of designs and finishes, they can be used in a variety of interior design styles, from traditional to modern. Whether used as a focal point or to enhance the overall design of a room, crystal doorknobs are a timeless and beautiful addition to any space. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.